Let's consider probability and specifically the tree that is often used with probability. So let's look at this story. Sean is playing 2 tennis matches. So we actually can see here match 1 and match 2. He either win or lose each match. Okay, so there is no draw. That's a possibility. And now I don't know anything about tennis, but I know that in any game that's a possibility. The probability that he wins the first match is 0.6, and the probability that he wins the second match is 0.7. And we see that 0.6 probability of winning the first match and 0.7 probability of winning the second match. And we have those outcomes are independent. Use the information above to complete the tree diagram by writing the probability associated with each brand of the tree diagram in the appropriate box. So that's where we have to write those and work out the probability. So this is the probability that we're going to work out. So how do we do that? Well, first of all, always the 2 branches have to add up to 1. So if I have 0.6 take away from 1, therefore I am left with 0.4. Again here, 0.7 and this box together, they should equal 1. So if from 1 I take 0.7, I get 0.3. Here, again, we have 1.3. That means together to make it 1 will be 0.7. So that's our probability filled in when it comes to each branch. And now we are going for the probability. So if I'm looking win first game, that's the probability win first and win second. And how do we do that? By multiplying. So here I multiply 0.6 by 0.7 and I get 0.42. And again, we're going to do the same here. 0.6 multiplied by 0.3 in our calculator, 0.18. 0.4 multiplied by 0.7 in calculator, 0.28. And that is filled in for us. That was 0.4 multiplied by 0.3, we get 0.12. Now, so we've done that part. We have one more part to do. Based on the tree diagram, what is the probability that Sean wins at least 1 match? So he win at least 1, but he could win 2 as well. Yeah, because at least 1. So let's look at those probabilities. So here we have win and win. So that's yes, that's included. Here win and lose. So that is yes. That is included. And then here is lose and win. So still winning 1. So that's included. So the only one is not included is 0.12. So what do we do with those probabilities? So 0.42 and 0.18 and 0.28, and we put that in the calculator and we press and get 0.88. Why do we add, not multiply? Because we are saying it is probability that he win and win, or probability that he win or lose, or probability that he lose and win. Yeah, and when we are saying or, we put plus, not multiply. If we were saying probability and, then we'll have a multiplication.